Kirkwood Volksfeest, thank you very much for having us. This was our first, but hopefully not our last. We had a lot of fun. Hope you had a lot of fun. Ons sien jou aan die ander kant. Much love.
Die Wilders is lekker en die shows was
Kirkwood, dit was 'n absolute feesie by julle. Ons sien julle weer volgende jaar. Ek profiteer dit nou. So let's go.
Hallo julle, dis Ivan Ruiz. Ons is hier so by die Kirkwood Volksfeest en dit is nogal dis ons heel eerste keer hier so ons wil net sê baie dankie vir die voorreg dat ons hier vir julle kan optree.
It's a beautiful day out at the Volksfeest and we are so grateful to be here. Sending so much love. Mwah.
Dit is 'n ongelooflike lekker Volksfees. As julle nog hier was, dit is ons het nog 1 jaar gemis en kom na die Volksfees toe in Kirkwood. Dit is amazing. Die outdoor goed is wonderlik. Die shows is fantasties. Die kunstenaars is great. Die kos is great en ongelooflike stelletjies.
Kirkwood Volksfeest overall has been such a lovely experience, great exposure. I'd recommend it for any other business and yeah, 10 out of 10. We'll see you next year.